Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can create number range in Excel. So first you need to type 1 in the first cell and type 2 in the cell directly below it. And now select the both cells and then hover the bottom right corner of the selection until the cursor turns into a small black plus signs that is called fill handle. Now drag the fill handle down to your desired ending number. For example, I'll be ended to the 15 and here you can see that. In the second method, you can use fill series tool. For this you need to type 1 in your starting cell and press enter. Then click back on the starting cell and then go to the home tab and then click on the editing and click on the fill and now select the series and now click the column and now set up value to the 1 and stop value to the your target end number, for example 1000, and then click OK. Excel will instantly generate a list of 1000 number. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can create number range in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.